Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study homeopathy pharmacy. First, you need to grasp the foundational principles of homeopathy, such as the law of similars, which means like cures like. This involves understanding the philosophy established over 200 years ago. You'll also explore the diverse natural sources from which homeopathic remedies are derived, including plants, minerals, and animals. This initial step provides a crucial framework for your entire study journey. Next, delve into the materia medica, which details the specific characteristics and actions of each remedy. A core concept is potentization, a unique preparation method involving successive dilutions and vigorous shaking, known as succussion. You will learn about various potency scales, like the decimal X scale with a 1 to 10 dilution ratio, the centesimal C scale with a 1 to 100 ratio, and the 50 millisimal LM scale, which uses a 1 to 50,000 dilution ratio. Then, it's essential to master the homeopathic repertory, an indispensable tool for systematically analyzing symptoms and finding suitable remedies. This goes hand in hand with developing strong case-taking skills, which involve gathering detailed information about a patient's physical, emotional, and mental state. The goal is to understand the totality of symptoms to ensure the most accurate and individualized remedy selection for each unique case. Finally, practical experience is paramount. Engage in supervised clinical practice to apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios. You must also understand the legal and ethical frameworks governing homeopathic practice, prioritizing patient welfare and maintaining confidentiality. Continuous learning is vital. Stay updated through advanced courses, research, and professional development to ensure safe and effective practice throughout your career.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.